Alright, my peeps. So this is an unboxing video for ILUMINARlighting.com. So this is a special shout out to Simona for approaching me and welcoming me to their booth, and also to Dwayne Woods for the free giveaway, and then to everyone in Illuminar Lighting family. Thank you. So once again, Big Brother Dwayne Woods, thank you. Thank you very much. I have no idea how to assemble this. I don't want to mess it up, so I'm just gonna watch some videos or something. Alright, my peeps, so I'm gonna go ahead and watch some videos to see if I can find, because I don't know how to attach these metal brackets into the mounting sockets. I don't even know what they're called. Alright, there's no instruction manual, so I'll see what I can do online and then I'll figure it out. But that's it for right now. We're done. Alright, so we're back. You have two options. You can use these clips, which all you gotta do is there you go. Nice. They work. Beautiful. see how it looks fully. Damn. Alright, my peeps. Well, that's it for this video. Hope you guys like it. How it looks and everything.